What is vitamin A, and why do you need it?
Vitamin A is an essential nutrient that helps maintain healthy vision, supports the immune system, and keeps skin and tissues functioning properly. Because your body cannot make vitamin A on its own, getting enough from your diet is crucial for overall well-being and to avoid subtle health problems.
Common signs of vitamin A deficiency.
Symptoms of low vitamin A can be mild at first. Dry eyes or trouble seeing at night are common early signs. You might also notice dry or rough skin, frequent infections, or slow wound healing. Brittle nails and hair problems can sometimes appear too. If left unaddressed, deficiency can lead to more serious issues over time.
Who is most at risk?
Certain people are more likely to lack vitamin A. Children, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and people with poor diets are at higher risk. Digestive conditions like celiac or Crohn's disease may also make it harder to absorb vitamin A. Vegetarians and vegans should pay attention as they may get less vitamin A from plant sources alone.
Best foods to boost your vitamin A.
You can improve vitamin A levels by eating the right foods. Liver, eggs, dairy products, and oily fish are excellent animal-based sources. For plant-based options, focus on carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, kale, and red bell peppers, which provide beta-carotene that your body converts to vitamin A. Eating a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables is key.
Healthy habits to improve vitamin A intake.
Along with choosing vitamin A-rich foods, include some healthy fats in your meals, since fat helps your body absorb vitamin A. Pair vegetables like carrots or spinach with a drizzle of olive oil. If you suspect a deficiency or have absorption issues, consult a healthcare provider before considering supplements to avoid getting too much.